Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.3523 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 1.09%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Fantom from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.19 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction. And if I start my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside. We also managed to break above key area of resistance at around the $0.38 mark, and as we tried to have a retest of that key area of resistance, we didn't manage to have a successful retest, and we lost that key area of support and have continued pushing even lower. If I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can also see we had the formation of a double top, which is a pattern that normally breaks to the lower side, having the target area of that breakout as the height between the top and the neckline. But as we try to have a breakout out of that chart pattern, we found a key area of support at around the $0.28 mark, which gave us support, and we had a very massive bounce to the upside. We managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.32 mark. We even had a retest of that key area of resistance. The retest was a success, and we continued pushing even higher. In that movement to the upside, we had been trading within this ascending channel, but we did not manage to break out of that channel to the upside. We broke out of that channel to the lower side, and we have lost a key area of support at around the $0.38 mark, and we have continued pushing to the lower side. Also, this movement to the upside, I can term it as an Elliot wave structure, having this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a retracement to the lower side in a wave 2. Then we continued pushing even higher in the formation of a wave 3. Then I expect to see a retracement to the lower side in a wave 4. Then continue pushing even higher in the formation of a wave 5 over here. And once we see the formation of a wave 5, then we can name this Elliot wave structure as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of this Elliot wave structure, so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out. Here, after making our high for that first wave, we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, and because a wave 2 is a corrective wave, we also expect to see an ABC correction within a wave 2, and we can see it over here having that as the wave A. Then we saw a wave B, then a wave C to complete the formation of a wave 2, and then after making our low for the second wave, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 3. And if I use the trend-based Fibonacci to get a target area for that third wave to the upside, I can just use the fibs connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gives me a target area for that third wave at around the $0.42 mark. That is at around the 1.618 fib level, and I can mark that target area here on the charts using that red target area. And you can see the price of Fantom did not quite maximize our target area for that third wave to the upside, and you have started to see a very nice retracement to the lower side in what might be the formation of a wave 4. So it's possible that we have made the high for that third wave, even though we did not manage to maximize our target area for that third wave. And it's possible whatever we are seeing here on the charts is a formation of a wave 4, and I can try and have a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side. And because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, I can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area for that fourth wave, assuming the high is in for that third wave. And to do that, I connect the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3 using the Fibonacci's, and that gives me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.38 as a maximum. So that is the target area for that fourth wave over here in this chart. It's possible that we might continue unlocking lower prices, maximize our red target area in here, and within that red target area there's a key area of support at around the $0.38 mark. So it's possible that we might continue seeing lower prices, get to around the $0.32 mark, then find support at that key area of support, and then we bounce to the upside and continue unlocking even lower prices. And in case we also lose that key area of support, it's possible that we maximize our red target area at around the $0.29 mark, and once we have maximized our red target area, then we can see our nice reversal to the upside. It's also possible that maybe the high for that third wave is not yet in, and whatever we are seeing here is just lower prices as a corrective move of whatever we have been seeing here, and we might find a reversal within the prices that we are in at the moment. And in case that happens, we might continue pushing higher, manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.38 mark, have a retest of that key area of resistance, and once that happens, I would expect us to continue pushing high and maximize our red target area at around the $0.42 mark, and maybe even overshoot it a little bit. And in case that happens, then I will have to adjust my Elliot wave count, having the new high as the high of that third wave, then have a new target area for that fourth wave to the lower side. So those are the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's. Also taking a look at the indicators. Here on the RSI we are trading at around the 32 mark, and that would mean we have room for us to support any movement to the upper side. And in case we continue unlocking lower prices here on the RSI, we can support that movement and get into the oversold region. And also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD we have not yet printed anything, but soon I expect us to print a bullish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.